welcome back to Denton TMD. Now if you're wondering, the background is yet again still the same as the Q1 video. That's because I'm filming this one straight after. This is yet again going to be the second unboxing slash review video from a Christmas present I had from 2019. Now this one isn't going to be from Hornby, it's going to be a Bachmann steam locomotive. Yet again, I'm going to be using this a lot and you'll see it a lot in future videos of the channel. Before I open it, I will say, same as the Q1, I have had it out of the box before, just so I could give it a test once, and I'm really impressed with this model yet again. It's going to have a couple more work done on it. Same as the Q1, details need to be removed so I could improve them and try and get it up to my detail standards of a model. I didn't mention in the last video, I have got a Denton TMD top made. By all means, I ain't getting merch, I've just got a custom top made up for the YouTube and whatnot. But yeah, I ain't got any merch yet, so don't get your hopes up, as I know one or two people out there will start getting a bit excited over the Denton TMD top. So without further ado, we're going to get on with the video, and the model I'm going to be unboxing today is the Bachmann N class mogul. Yet again, this is another pre-owned model from Hatton's. Pre-owned stuff is still pretty good, especially when it comes from Hatton's. It's always been tested and is pretty reliable. So with this model, you obviously got the standard detailing pack there of the locomotive steps in this little packet here. This detailing bag here has been opened, so I'll put that back in there. And here you just got your bits of brake rigging, and somewhere in here you might just see on the end there your pipes. And quite a cool little feature with this box and model, it is part of the Bachmann blue ribbon range, so you do get this little blue ribbon here to go along with the model. And I don't know if this comes as standard with the Bachmann locomotive or if it's just been added in, but I have got a little driver there to go inside the cab of my N-class mogul. Like I said, the previous owner of this model has already done some detail work on this model, and I'll go through that in a minute. I'm just getting out of the box now. These Bachmann boxes in this, well, version of the N-class, flip it to the side, is just a standard polystyrene box like we used to get. The previous owner has, well, did fit a tiny little BR lamp, but I've taken that off already, ready for upgrading process of this model. I'll put that away in one of these bags quick. So without further ado, we're going to get onto the model. I'm just going to grab it so you can see it. Gone with the BR Black N-class mogul with the late BR crest, because my steam layout is going to be based on 50s and 60s era. So Southern Green was pretty much faded out at this time. The only problem is with these, I don't think you can actually disconnect the tender from the model, and it is permanently coupled. I haven't figured out a way of disconnecting that yet as such. So bring it closer so you can see this one here is number 31860. You can just about see the BR crest is nice and crisp. the lining on there is placed very nicely, and weathering livery, should say, is placed very good on this model. It's got the separate handrails on here, like you would expect with a Bachmann locomotive. Other than that, that's pretty much just the standard requirements on a standard Bachmann locomotive. Going on to what the previous owner has added, you can see he's added real coal in the tender. He has added a fireman in the cab. You could just about see him in the light there. Moving on to the front, he's added a pipe, BR lamp, and 2 of the service white dots there on the front. I used to know the actual name for the white dots, I can't remember what they're called. I'll be able to figure it out again soon, I'm pretty sure of it. Yeah, again, really impressed with this model. Like I said, I have used it before and it runs a treat. I only got an issue with it having a really stiff coupling there, so whenever I run it backwards, the tender does decide to try and sit at an angle, or that angle, instead of actually being nice and trying to sit straight. I'm going to try and figure out what's going on there on that to fix that issue. When you see this on the Denton TMD layout, it's going to be running commonly with my BR Southern Green Maunsell coaches, like you would have seen on the Reading to Red Hill services back in the 60s. So yeah, again, I believe I have got a video clip of this, so I will slap that in this video so you can see it actually in action, which will be quite nice. Yeah, again, this is a DCC ready model, so whether it goes DCC or not at some point in the future would be something for me to eventually figure out when it comes to time. Other than that, not really much to say about the model as such, and I'll give you the inspection on that. I'm looking down because I'm putting the stuff back away in the box. Yeah, again, the model is very easy to get out of the box. Just be super careful with it still. You don't want to knock any of the valve gear because it can fall apart quite easy, as I have witnessed in the past with one of my second-hand models that you will also eventually get to see on the Denton TMD layout. Also with the Bachmann boxes, which comes as standard, you will get a picture of the N-class or whatever model it is you brought. You would end up with a real picture of a loco. It's not necessarily going to be the same loco as what you've brought. It's just going to be just the same class of loco. You flip it over and you've got like a little cool drawer in there and some information about the type of locomotive you bought. It's just nothing on the inside, it's just a plain bit of card. These are quite fiddly to get back in the boxes where the picture one, because it can fold and crush your picture slightly. However, that time it didn't do it, luckily. Yeah, again, just a standard old Bachmann blue ribbon box, what you would have got when Bachmann first started making these models, instead of the ice cube packaging like you get now. So yeah, again, there goes another review / unboxing video. Like I said, if I've got a video of that running, I will try and slap it in here somewhere. If not, then sadly you're not going to get a video of it at the time being. I may have got a video of it, but it was derailing because of that coupling issue between the loco and the tender when I was trying to run it, so I might not have a video. But yeah, again, like I said in the last video, it would help out a lot if you hit like and subscribe for this channel. At this moment of time, I think I'm on 86 subs, so we're slowly getting there after 4 years of this channel now. That's crazy. 4 years. We'll get onto that again in another video about the channel past and stuff like that. That'll be an upcoming video if you want to see that. Yeah, again, drop that down in the comment section below. I have got another unboxing video / review video coming after this. That's going to be quite an awkward one because of the item / train it is that I'll be showing you. But yeah, again, this one you're going to see quite a lot on this channel. Yet again, this model here did come from Hatton's. This isn't any sponsored video from Hatton's. I'm just saying that they're very reliable, delivery on them's fast. Obviously I ain't saying that Hatton's the best place to go. Obviously look around, try and find the cheapest price for you. Like I said, this is another pre-owned model from the Hatton's pre-owned section, so always just have a little nose on there because you will find some good bargains on models over there. But yeah, like I said, it's not actually some sponsored video from Hatton's. I'm just letting you know where it come from, just in case you want to get one yourself. Other than that, there's nothing really to say than enjoy. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, again, that's Den and TMD, and see you later.